Also, I was a judo champion. 100-meter champion. Relay. Studies में top 5.
As a kid, मैं हमेशा से sports में ज़्यादा involved रही थी. So I was more of a top boy during my school time.
पहला ही stunt, I am on a helicopter holding on to a rope,
Oh God. Yeah.
and the more you hold on, the top 3 win. And नीचे क्या है? पानी. ठंडा पानी.
I don't take too many protein shakes because of my metabolism. And I also go on a very high carb diet whenever I'm feeling a little low.
I had to cut down the weight. That's exactly when the nutrition came in.
Okay.
So it was 7 months of training very vigorously, but also following a very strict diet.
And I get a call at night, 1:30, that Rajneesh Babu, क्या कर रहे हो? Office आ जाओ. Then Girish ji came, he hugged me and he told me, he said कि यार suddenly हमें ये आया वहाँ से कि newcomer के साथ नहीं काम करना है. First time I think in my life I went into depression.
So I had lost someone very close to mental health, and which happened last year itself, and she was just 17.
17 years old.
17.
Sugar is more harmful to your body than alcohol.
I'm a very big foodie.
No, so are we.
Yes.
We love food. We enjoy it.
Sometimes it happens with me that if I don't feel like going, but then suddenly I come across your page, let's say, and I do get inspired.
Really?
I feel nahi yaar utho.
I'm thankful to you.
No, seriously. See, so I look up to you.
Hello and welcome to yet another exciting episode of Right Bite Max Protein presents Unstoppable with Rohit Roy, your go-to podcast on fitness, nutrition, and of course, mental health. Today, we have two phenomenal personalities gracing our show. They embody resilience, versatility, and sheer passion in their respective fields. One of them is a dear old friend from way back, one of the most good-looking guys I know in the business. And the other guest is somebody I've known for a very brief period of time, but I was very, very enamored by the way she hosted a live cricket event, and that to an auction, which is extremely, extremely difficult to do. Please welcome Rajneesh Duggal and Sushmita Singh. Welcome to the show, boys and girls.
Thank you.
Sushmita, तुमसे शुरू करते हैं. I don't know much of you, so I'd like to tell our audiences, how did you start? You won the Miss Teen World when you were just 18 or 19.
Yeah, 18.
18 years old.
Yeah.
And you are named, I don't know whether you know, she's named after Sushmita Sen.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So tell us a little more about the story and how that inspired you to get into beauty and glamour.
Okay, so I hail from Kalyan, matlab
Okay.
just a little far from where we are right
Right. Not too far anymore.
Yeah,
It's all
not
the
far.
connectors.
It's all connected.
now. Yeah. So my father really liked Sushmita Sen.
Okay.
So जब वो astrology के हिसाब से नाम आपको रखना होता है, so it was Su, so that's how it was Sushmita.
Okay.
And then like since a kid, Sushmita नाम था, so I always wanted to do something in modeling or acting in a way. So I was maybe 14, 15, and we had this school event, fashion event.
Okay.
And since as a kid, मैं हमेशा से sports में ज़्यादा involved रही थी. So I was more of a top boy during my school time.
Okay.
So I went up to the teacher and I was like, "Ma'am, I want to enroll my name for the event." So she was like, "No, I think you should just sit down."
Oh.
Yeah. So that day, I went back home and I was heartbroken as a kid.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
of course, it can
because
play on your
I was
mind.
Sushmita,
Yeah.
I wanted to do something like that, and maybe it was just something that I wanted to give it a shot as a kid. So my father's like, "Okay, you wanna do this? Cool. From tomorrow, you're gonna maybe join a class, maybe take ramp walk sessions and whatnot."
That's so cool, yeah, for a
Wow.
parent and a father that
Yeah.
To be supporting.
to
Yeah.
support.
Yeah.
And I was in the 9th grade.
Okay.
And also like my father, वो हमेशा travel करते थे to Andheri and whatnot. But for him to let me take up, the command of my life in a way at that
At that
very
age?
yes. So then with my schools going on, my coaching classes going on, I used to take a local every day
Oh.
from Kalyan to Dadar and then from there to Santa Cruz. Then
See, makes the story so much more interesting.
Yeah.
yeah, and then I was 14 when I started training for CrossFit.
Okay.
And wahi pe I used to take my ramp walk sessions.
Excellent, yeah. And then you won the Miss India United Continents in
Yes.
2022.
Yes.
So how old are you? Like 18, 19,
I'm
right?
23. I'm 20.
Oh, wow. Well done. Well done. Your
Thank
journey has been fantastic.
Thank you.
And I have this hunk of a gentleman here. Obviously, both of them, as you see, are very sexy, very healthy, very fit. ये पता करना है कि अंदर से कितने फिट है, वो बात की बात है. आपकी शुरुआत हुई, you started off as a model for obvious reasons, and then you won the Miss Grassland Western
Mr.
India,
India, yeah.
and then you were the runner-up in the Mr. India
Mr. International. Mr. International.
in London.
Yeah, yeah.
And you were the first model to actually reach that position of number 2, runners-up, correct?
Yeah.
How did that start?
Yeah,
I'll tell you why I'm asking you this.
Yeah.
Because my friend Sudhanshu was on the show.
okay.
And in spite of being friends with him for 27, 28 odd years, I still didn't know how he started his modeling career.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So for me, it was, see, I was fully into studies. I was doing my BBA honors, and I was also employed by my father. We had a small shop of ball bearings. So I took that up because I was getting a salary.
Huh.
So from the age of 17 to 20, I was half day college, half day dukan. This was my
Okay.
routine along with sports. So I was also like a runner for Delhi. Used to swim for Delhi. So उस level पे I was an athlete. And this just happened. I went for a reception. And वहाँ पे Rashmi Virmani bumped into me.
Of course.
And she saw me. She was, clicking pictures, and she suddenly saw. She said, "यार तेरे को तो ramp पे होना चाहिए."
Acha, because जो quintessential story हम सुनते हैं. No, but I was spotted.
But I'd never gone to the gym before. मतलब till that time.
Are you serious?
Never, because swimmer था तो.
तो the body band.
हाँ, मतलब तो
Cholesterol one.
it's a very lean, cut body, and so I used to shy away from it. Like I generally am a very, I know you, so I'm pretty open.
Huh.
But otherwise, I just like to be in my own.
Right, I know
Yes.
that about you, yeah.
So, and तब तो और भी था.
हाँ,
तो there was no
सिर्फ
reason.
ज़्यादा थे.
Yeah. So I think then my cousins came and then they said कि एक कर ले, एक show करके देख ले क्या होता है. So I did one, and then I think it just started. It just I
They
liked
say
it.
now once the glamour bug
No, I liked
bites
it.
you,
Yeah.
Yeah.
then you enjoy
Yeah.
you enjoy the attention.
So when I
and all
did
of-
one ramp show, I loved that thing of being on stage live in front of people.
right,
I thought, यार ये तो सही है.
yes,
मतलब this is what.
So you must have come close on the heels of Milind and Arjun and Himanshu Malik and all of them.
No, they are all my seniors.
Seniors,
All.
correct. You must have come right after them.
Up post John and Dino and Zulfi. So Zulfi
Achha,
Bhai and all
post
are
John.
my seniors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I've always seen you fit, and obviously now that you're telling me you're a swimmer, and also you're a sports person, we've traveled a lot together
Yeah.
also
Wow.
for cricket. So your love for working out, was it helped because you were a sportsman?
I think being a sportsman, maybe touch wood, firstly being genetically blessed. Maybe my mother's side of the family is all defense. Army, police.
Okay.
So एक
You're not
वैसे-
Pahadi, no?
नहीं, I'm from Delhi. So yeah, but I'm half Pathan and half Punjabi. Yeah. So एक वो होगा,
वो तो होगा.
which I feel blessed that it is. But yeah, with time, obviously your metabolism slows down. You got to keep at it. So what I try and do is play a sport at least 3 times a week
Okay.
and work out 3 to 4 times a week.
What sport do you play?
I play tennis, I swim, I cycle, cricket. Yeah. Cricket में कम
क्रिकेट
होता
में
है.
तो खैर कुछ होता है
बहुत कम होता है.
हिलता ही नहीं है यार क्रिकेट में रोज आके
So-
देखता हूँ कितना हुआ कुछ नहीं
हाँ.
होता है. So he said blessed by God, obviously his genetics.
Hmm.
You also would say that you're God's chosen person, or have you had to really work hard to get big?
I had to work hard because I think at the age of after I came back from Miss Teen World pageant and whatnot, COVID started, and suddenly there was a huge shift in my weight. So I had gained like 14, 15 kgs. out of
Because you're at home and you were
I was at home, or maybe the puberty stops at that
right.
age for girls.
Please tell me more about this so that our young kids who are watching can know about it. What happened?
So yeah, I mean, I did not even realize, and within 4 months, from 50 to I was 61, 62.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and then my mum, उनको काफी इच्छा थी कि मैं acting करूँ. So it was her जिनकी वजह से मैंने auditions देने शुरू किए थे. So at that time I realized कि something is highly wrong with what I'm looking like, right now. And then I just started working out.
What was wrong according to you at that time?
So, of course, there was a very huge shift in my weight. I felt
No, as in why
It-
did that shift happen, you think? Is it because of your lifestyle or your diet or no working out?
not working out, one. Two, lifestyle, I would not say क्योंकि तो घर पे ही थे, तो there was not much of junk happening here and there. But then also because of the age factor, where kids transition from being teenagers, then they enter
Right.
into adulthood
Young
and whatnot.
adults.
Yes. So that was, I think, one of the major
And how much time did it take for you to bounce back to what you are
8
now?
months.
8 months.
Yes, 8 months, because I was trying to perceive it as organic as I could in a way. So I was only taking supplements like protein shakes and whatnot. But then eventually it was more of cardio and strength training. So it took a lot of time. But then I think उस reason की वजह से I could,
It's permanent.
yes,
It's very important.
Yeah.
yes. So even if I'm not working out for a week or
Yeah.
two,
It doesn't
maybe,
make so much of a difference.
yeah, I'm still the same.
In fact, this is something that I advocate a lot, not only on the show, but otherwise also. Okay, don't get into one knee-jerk reaction कि ये 3 महीने में
Sudden thing.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
क्योंकि वो होता नहीं है अक्सर मैं देखता हूँ कि it's happened to me also. I've tried to do it for a film. We've all done it
Yeah.
at some point. आपने वो क्या था जो रोल राम भगवान का हाँ which was offered to me फिर better looking था better body
नहीं, नहीं,
इसके मिल गया please. So I've also done it and we all go through those phases but I always advocate that take your time.
True.
Recently you must have read that report about Ram Kapoor if you've seen his latest pictures. He lost 30 kilos over 7 months and he's looking like a boy.
I saw his thing yesterday.
Yeah,
Even
and
the
I was
writing.
shocked. I bumped into him at the airport.
Yeah.
And Mansi didn't recognize him because he's looking so different and healthy, not
Yeah.
through Ozempic and all those other forms of treatment.
Man, you look pretty energetic.
Very
So,
energetic.
yeah.
I'm telling you, looking like a boy, bouncing around from here to there.
Yeah.
And you said that made a difference that you didn't work out. Knowing him, I know that he travels with a fitness kit
Oh,
No, no,
wherever
I
he goes.
just,
You still travel with that?
Yeah,
Zack?
so I take my.
So I want to know what all is there. Like you बोलते हैं ना कि लड़की के पर्स में क्या है बताओ. What all do
So
you
it's
carry?
a small bag. It has a TRX, like a full TRX
TRX
band.
band.
So behind a hotel door or on a
कहीं पे भी.
कहीं पे भी आप लगा सकते हो. Then it has a like that band, TheraBand,
Resistance.
resistance band.
And would you
Two
say you're
sliders.
addicted to working out?
No, so I keep it because कभी किसी होटल में आप जाओ या कहीं पे जाओ and there's no gym or sometimes maybe you don't get that time to go out, just get up, go out. So I just start it in my room only and just make sure that at least half an hour of it is given to that.
And you're able to do it?
Yeah, I think I
Because I have TRX bands, I have Thera bands. I carry them with me. But I somehow feel that the moment I'm out and I'm in the hotel room, it
Yeah.
just doesn't work for me, man.
No, it's very comforting. Obviously,
Yeah.
you just want ठीक है थोड़ी देर आज miss हो गया तो चलेगा.
हाँ, इस
But-
बार मैं अभी,
Yeah.
because I'm right now in that zone that I want to look like this till whenever. And I was traveling and I was in America for 10 days. I took everything with me.
Yeah.
Not one protein shake was had. Not one dip was done.
Oh God.
And I had such a great time. I said, "ठीक है यार." Then my mind says that okay, when I go back, I'll pick it up. But you are Mr. Consistent.
I think yeah. मतलब no, when I let go, I let go.
Have you ever let go?
Yeah, I have.
What is the longest time? Be honest that you've let go.
So see, when I let go, I almost let go of it every year for about 40 days or a
Oh, really?
couple of months.
Then I'm not.
Then I'm only on sports.
Okay.
I-
No, but
but I-
you're playing sports.
Yeah, or cycle. So I pick
And
up the
swimming.
cycle and building के जो हमारे track है उस पे
How
something.
consistent are you?
I am very consistent now.
Wow, I have two Mr. Consistent, Miss and Miss Consistent. How, as in like, do you give breaks like he does for 40 days? I'll tell you about myself. For
Yeah.
the last 2 weeks, I haven't worked out. I'm playing pickleball. Now I've
Which is
taken,
a
I
good
love
sport.
that.
Yeah.
But I'm missing the gym. Does it happen to you that sometimes you just don't want to go?
Yes, of course it does. And हो जाता है कभी-कभी maybe because you're working and sometimes you're just stressed out or sometimes your mind is like, I just want to sit home. So that does happen. But then it doesn't happen for a long
Okay.
time. So I show up. And after that transition, this is something which has imbibed in me somehow.
Also, there must be a scare that अगर नहीं जाऊंगे फिर कहीं पे weight put on हो गया वगैरह वगैरह.
नहीं, मेरे घर पे सब पतले ही है.
अच्छा.
Yeah, everyone has like very high metabolism. They are blessed. वो मेरे साथ पता नहीं, I don't know how.
नहीं, of course.
Yeah.
It's visible है तुम्हारे साथ. Yeah.
So in that sense, but then yes, I show up. I try to show up.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
That's one more thing you guys have in common. Because there are times when I want to show up and I say, okay, I'll show up tomorrow.
So but sometimes it happens with me that if I don't feel like going, but then suddenly I come across your page, let's say, And I do get inspired.
Really?
I feel nahi yaar utho.
I'm thankful to you.
No, seriously. See, so I look up to you because I feel that to maintain that. So it's great resilience. It's great consistency. चाहे आप बोल लो कि consistency नहीं है, लेकिन it is.
थोड़ा better हो सकता है.
See, few days up down, ये सबके साथ होता है. It's human also, na. We are humans. But
Yeah, I know.
But still to have that, and I know the injuries that you have, so उसके साथ में it's not easy.
We both went for Khatron Ke Khiladi. Different times, of course.
Yeah.
And he was very good and I was not that good
No.
because I got injured. Yeah. No, but I really enjoyed that stint.
Yeah.
You know, another thing, I've never spoken about this. When I went to Khatron Ke Khiladi, they've been calling me for a long, long time. I am very scared of water. Okay, because like he's a swimmer, he learned swimming at a very young age.
Yeah.
People who've not learned swimming, they don't know how to float. And people are like,
True.
how can you not know? You swim, but you don't know how to float. I said, no, I don't know how to float. So when we are on vacation, my wife and my kid will jump into the deep end of the ocean and they
Just be
float.
floating.
Yeah.
And I panic and my body gets hard, so I sink.
Sing.
And everything in Khatron Ke Khiladi has to do with water
A
at
lot is what.
minus 0 degrees water. Biggest worry was that I don't know how to float and everything, as you know, in Khatron Ke Khiladi has got to do with water. I said no, मैंने मन बना लिया कि मैं इस साल तो जाऊंगा क्योंकि अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. I had a long discussion with them and I told them कि boss मेरे को पानी से problem है. So they were looking at me and said, you do know that most of our stunts are in water. I said yeah, but I'll do it. Anyway, खैर पहुंच गया वहाँ पे. पहला stunt क्या था? पहला ही stunt, I am on a helicopter holding on to a rope.
Oh God. Yeah.
And the more you hold on, the top 3 win. And नीचे क्या है? पानी. ठंडा पानी. And I was so petrified of the water. I came in the top 4 because I didn't let it go. But what that did to me, why I'm telling you the story, is that it took away the fear of water and of sinking. I fell. Obviously, I had to fall.
Yeah.
I fell. I came back up. And I came back up. I swam to the boat before the boat could come to me because that was also in my mind.
That's amazing.
And so, I've always said that if there is this little thing niggles in your mind about anything, hence unstoppable. You go face it head on and then it will vanish. Another question I forgot to ask you and we moved on was, when did you decide to become an actor from a model?
So for me, I was only modeling. Right. After Mr. India also, after Mr. International also, then I was signed by the agency. Then जो चल रहा था, print हो रहा था, ramp हो रहा था. But I'd never faced a moving camera till then. And
पर मन बन गया था तब तक.
नहीं, तब तक acting का मन नहीं था. मतलब मन क्या? मतलब सोचा नहीं था.
सोचा भी नहीं था.
And this is true. मतलब why would I even lie?
Yeah, of course.
जैसे लोग बोलते हैं मैं कॉलेज से थिएटर कर रहा था, वो वैसा नहीं था मेरा.
बेटा मेरा ऐसा नहीं था. मैं तो MBA करने जा रहा था, एक्टर बन गया यार.
So that time I was shooting in Paris for Monte Carlo Sweaters. And I got a call from Suzanne, who's one of the EPs on one film which, they were casting for. And she said, Ki Rajneesh, we want to cast you for a film. When can we meet? So I said, I stay in Delhi. So you should.
Achha, till then you were in Delhi? You not moved to Mumbai?
No. So then she said, Ki, when are you coming back? So 2 दिन बाद मैंने कहा, I'm coming back. Then they sent me a ticket, a business class ticket to Bombay. And when I came to Bombay, Girish ji and Sheel Babu is the Shriya Creations ka producer. And I didn't know them. And of course, they took me first, briefly made me meet Vikram Bhatt. Okay. He's going to be
this was 1920?
No, this was not 1920.
Okay.
So this is inki story hai, or sir is going to be the involved editor in the film. Okay. And then they took me to their office, narrated me this film. They said ki, Yaqeen is the film. And it's with Priyanka Chopra and this, that. तो उन्होंने मुझे सुनाया, मैंने कहा, फिर मैंने बोला, सर मैंने लेकिन कभी एक्टिंग की नहीं है. That's when I said, and
in true Rajneesh style.
I said मैंने कभी एक्टिंग नहीं की है. They said no, मतलब we met you and we feel that you'll be good at it. तो they said कि आप कितनी जल्दी मूव हो सकते हो बॉम्बे. So मैंने कहा कि आप बताइए. I was anyways planning because I had won 2 titles. I was in between shifting. Right. So I said, आप जैसे बोलेंगे, I can move. So within 3 days, I was in Bombay. They put me up in a penthouse in Juhu and car driver.
Your beginning has been very good, यार. या तो धक्के खा के local train के.
No, but उसके बाद है ना धक्का. अच्छा है. Major है. So 2.5 months, Kishore Namit Kapoor चल रहा है. शाम को गिरीश जी आ रहे हैं with the theatre actors. My training is going on. विदुर सर आ रहे थे diction के लिए. वो सब चल रहा था. And 2-2.5 महीने बाद 7 to 10 days later, we were going to go on floor. And I get a call at night, 1:30, that Rajneesh Babu, क्या कर रहे हो? Office आ जाओ. So मैंने कहा सर सुबह आता हूँ 1:30 बजे है। तो
रात को 1:30 बजे?
हाँ,
अच्छा।
so I said कि he said नहीं अभी आ जाओ कुछ problem. So I went and when I went it was a filmy scene. 3 spotlight on है, शील बाबू बैठे हैं, गिरीश जी and Suzanne they're sitting. शील बाबू came, hugged me, his eyes were welled, you know, like really भरे हुए थे. Then Girish ji came, he hugged me and he told me, he said कि यार suddenly हमें ये आया वहाँ से कि न्यू कमर के साथ नहीं काम करना है. So now I didn't know the business of it, right?
Oh God.
And I said, sir लड़की बदल दो. Yeah, I thought I am solving their problem. Right? I didn't know what the problem was. Coming
You
to
didn't
me.
figure out कि सब तेरे को हक कर रहे हैं,
हाँ,
हाँ, तो बोल रहे हैं
No,
कि तेरी विदाई हो रही है.
I figured out, but I was still trying to give them a solution. अब मेरे ऊपर लगा रहे हो ना
हाँ.
पैसा. Articles मेरे आ रहे हैं.
फिर?
So नहीं, he said I would have done it in a heartbeat because by that time obviously I could see that they were genuine. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं.
Of course.
I think they'd already done a lot of payments, a lot of things were already rolling. And then I said, ठीक है मैं, you know, and they तो told me be on the film and come on the next film and blah blah blah. I said नहीं sir, I'm leaving. I'll move on. So first time I think in my life I went into depression. If it was depression, 2 months I didn't come out of the place only.
Oh my God.
And luckily, matlab, that was the time when we were shifting. So I was staying. Then I moved in with my friend in Bandra, and then Rajat was from Delhi only. And then 2 months, यार वो मुझे खींचते थे चल यार कॉफी पी के आते हैं कुछ करते हैं नहीं.
You must hold that thought because in the next segment we have to discuss mental strength and mental health because that's something that every youngster is going through.
Yeah.
And till now, till you know, maybe 4-5 years back, till Deepika really spoke about her
No one.
issues, nobody was talking about it. Even today, you believe it or not, it takes a while. I've had people coming here who are actually going to be talking about the strength.
Yeah.
And while I'm talking to her, you have broken down and you said, you know, I have gone through something 3 months back.
Yeah.
And they've spoken because this is a safe place to talk.
Yeah.
And it kind of inspires the youngsters who are lost, who don't know what they're going through. You know?
Yeah.
कि यार ये डिप्रेशन है, एंग्जाइटी है, अभी वर्ड्स आ गए हैं, बट वो भी समझ नहीं है कि व्हाट एम आई फीलिंग एंड हाउ डू आई टैकल इट एंड हु डू आई रीच आउट टू. सो प्लीज होल्ड दैट थॉट. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट व्हिच इज अबाउट फिटनेस, न्यूट्रिशन and what is your mantra about it? So nutrition according to me is the main thing if you want a healthy mind and body. And of course the one thing I like to talk to ladies about is strength training.
Yeah.
Going to the gym, working out with weights. Till date, there's, again, believe it or not, there is this myth that अरे हम लोग workout करेंगे हमारे muscle बन जाएंगे. What are your thoughts on it?
मैंने शुरुआत ही स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग से की थी. So it is the only thing that I swear to in a way. And तब तो मैं बहुत young भी थी. So I just went to the gym and
मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि आप
अभी भी आप
बहुत young हो अभी.
I was like 17.
I just want to put this
Yeah.
on recording.
I was like 17, 18 baby. And मैंने PT लगवाई, मैं जिम गई और मैंने ट्रेनिंग शुरू कर दी. But then exactly when I had to cut down the weight, that's exactly when the nutrition came in.
Okay.
So it was 7 months of training very vigorously, but also following a very strict diet.
What's your diet like?
So abhi it has been 2 years that I've turned vegetarian. So that also took a toll because it's a transition, especially for a female. I don't know if it is a very general thing that happens with everyone, but for me, I could see the transition within the next 6 months. Yeah. So I was
Vitally.
with your energy and a lot of things, and also because I was exploring the vegetarian options here and there.
Right.
So now, also I'm a very big foodie.
No, so are we.
Yes.
We love food.
I
We enjoy food.
Love.
No, I am actually not.
You're not? Oh, I love
Generally.
In fact, when I travel, my first thing is not कि कहाँ
हाँ,
जाऊँगा,
no,
अरे कहाँ
yeah.
खाऊँगा.
Yeah.
See, I feel it's more of balancing yourself and knowing कि आपको अब कहाँ रोकना है खुद को और कहाँ नहीं रोकना है in a way. So for me, it also comes across as अभी जैसे कि since I'm a vegetarian now, so morning में I go with like a protein shake. Initially, I was only on isolates.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was cutting down.
Okay.
But
Only on isolates meaning what? So isolate, of course, is the purest form of protein.
protein,
Can I
yeah.
tell you? So it's So when you say only on isolates, means that whole day you would have only protein shakes?
No, not like that. But
Only
then
protein isolates.
protein isolates, and then also trying to figure out my ways between chicken breasts majorly. तो मैं ज़्यादा करके high protein diet पे ही focus कर रही
I want to ask you again this question.
हूँ.
Again, a lot of women in India, they don't give, because our food, the Hindu meal, is not so protein loaded.
Carbs,
It's
carbs.
carb based.
Complete calm.
And this is again something that women just don't adhere to. They don't want more protein. So tell them about your diet, which had so much of protein, and because of which you lost weight, and you got.
Yeah, so तभी भी मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते थे कि तू कुछ ज़्यादा ही you're on a very high protein diet. I think you should just cut down. But then for some reason it worked out for me. And of course everybody is like very different in a way. But of course for females and girls who are maybe around 17 and now transitioning and whatnot, protein is a
Very
very important thing. And so is carbs.
Of course, everything in
Carbs
is-
is-
Yeah, like it is. So even when I'm shooting or working, or maybe मैं gym नहीं जा पा रही हूँ, मैं सो नहीं पाई हूँ, like for a longest period of time, I stick to carbs.
Oh, you stick to carbs?
Yes.
Acha, what is this? I don't know about this.
Wow.
So it generates more energy.
Hmm.
So मेरे लिए ऐसा है कि अगर मैं सो नहीं पाई हूँ, तो I'll fuel myself with food.
Hmm.
And the energy is only gonna come from carbs. It's not gonna come from only protein shakes or protein.
What are your thoughts on this? I have to get you there because
Yeah, but
this is
actually,
something which is
when I listen to this, is I've never seen it. क्योंकि मैं I don't take too many protein shakes. I've never taken it. It hasn't. I've tried it, but it doesn't suit me. So maybe because of my metabolism. And I also go on a very high carb diet whenever I'm feeling a little low.
okay.
It's strange. Or sugar. I increase my sugar. I don't know why. And even though matlab zero, yeah. So it just, it's also, I feel that even the brain stops working if you reduce or cut your sugar.
Oh.
पता नहीं मुझे लगता है सर. And that's what then when you read about it, obviously sugar is not the best thing in the world to consume, but then when you completely cut your sugar, even the creative juices, they can stop.
Wow.
So it's
So this is one thing I've learned, that when you're tired and when you're feeling listless, you should increase your carbs for energy as fuel. One thing I would like to tell you, maybe it's in your mind, but sugar is not something that you should fall back on for any sort of creative fuel or fuel.
I understand because see maybe I'm
Maybe
saying
your mind telling
yeah,
you that.
yeah, because I have a major sweet tooth.
Right.
Major. And it's not that I stop. मतलब तो मैं अब जाके last 2 years से I have cut my sugar or my sugar intake. Otherwise, I have a major sweet tooth. I would rather not eat the food. I'd have.
You're talking to somebody who reads the menu backwards.
हाँ, so,
Correct?
So in fact, Pallavi, my wife or my cousins would just say कि यार तू पहले मतलब वही गुजराती before. Because I would order my dessert.
I feel you, yeah.
And I eat it with it.
Yeah, same
So,
here.
yeah,
Same here.
so-
मैं पहले एक बाइट लेता हूँ, उसके बाद खाना वाना खाता हूँ कि ये बचा के रखें.
हाँ, so I
But
think it's not right. Yeah.
recent research, Rajneesh, it's shocking, but they say that sugar is more harmful to your body than alcohol.
No, I agree.
So,
It's see, sugar it leads to cancer.
Yeah,
It
and all sorts of weight issues also, and it's a dead mineral in your body.
Yeah.
It does no. I mean, of course, it gives you that happiness, and people say okay, endorphins and the good hormones flow. That's very. When you weigh both the pros and cons, sugar is something that I recommend everybody kind of cuts down.
True.
Let's talk about some beauty now here, since you have two beautiful people. So, Rajni, this question is to you, not to her.
Okay.
Your skin has always been, see, Unstoppable is not only about one thing.
Yeah.
We want to kind of encapsulate everything that a man or a woman needs to do to look nice, to feel good, and to be healthy from within. Now, skin and hair is a very, very major part of that.
True.
I've always seen you, that's why I asked you whether you're a pahadi or from the mountains. You've always had great skin. Do you do something externally or is it all internal?
It's a lot internal, of course. मतलब there's besides that regular water intake and वो तो होता ही. But otherwise, I think internally you got to feel really good. मतलब you got to also.
You take any supplements or?
No.
No.
So for skin, I've never taken a supplement. In fact, I've not even used a face wash ever.
Really?
Ever.
So then you're God's chosen.
No. But I take the seasonal fruit. I just cut it and I rub it on my face. That I
You're the seasonal fruit.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I do that.
तो ये तो इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल की बात है. तुम्हारे बारे में तो मैं खूबसूरती के बारे में बात नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि दो मेल्स आज मेल्स को बात करेंगे. The other thing which a lot of youngsters have a problem with is hair fall.
Yeah.
It's a quintessential issue.
True.
Do you do anything particular? Because they say crowning glory तो वही है.
Yes.
सच बताना.
No. So
but
for
why singing?
hair I do because see my father was bald. मतलब चांद तो करी गल 25 से और मेरा भाई भी at a very early age he lost like a lot of his hair and touch wood now अभी तक मेरे तो नहीं गए. Maybe I've gone on the mama's side जबकि मेरे मामा जी and all have also no hair. So
But genetics
but
does
yeah,
play a-
but I do a lot of every day. This is my first thing in the morning is I do a matlab like I'm on my head. Yeah.
That's supposed to be
headstand though is something bridge headstand.
Shirsasana.
I do this regularly.
Do you do yoga as well?
Yeah, I do.
So let's talk about yoga. How much weightage do you give yoga to your overall wellness?
So see the kit that you spoke about. So sometimes the kit is just lying in the bag, and I'd rather keep a towel there in the hotel room or in the gym of the hotel and do my yoga. So that 45 minutes of pure yoga with no fan, no AC. I switch off everything. I just put like a very, very basic oil on my body and do yoga for 45 minutes. And
45 minutes.
And it's also your breathing. So and the form. So it's not about कि मुझे 20 आसन करने. वो नहीं है. Even if I'm doing A and B Surya Namaskar, but they should be just in proper form and proper breath. So if that is done, that's enough. You literally sweat. Yeah.
I've just
and you
taken on
feel-
yoga and I find it so good.
Yeah.
It really tires you out also. At the
It
end of
does.
You sleep well.
You sleep well.
Yeah.
So since you were talking about, Sushmita, you were talking about sometimes that you don't sleep. It happens to all of us for various reasons. A, we might be shooting late. B, we might be stressed about something. We might be overthinking, all of that. The one biggest way to recover your body is through sleep, and that's what we don't get. Do you believe in things like meditation or vipassana to calm your mind down?
Yes, of course I do, but I have not been practicing yoga. This is something that I want to take up. But then, yes, meditation is something that has been very dear to me in a way because I'm a very, how do I say it? I'm everywhere.
I know, you're an
Yeah.
alien.
Like,
Everywhere.
even when I'm sitting at home, I have to do something.
Right.
So, नींद मेरे लिए बहुत एक मुश्किल topic है because even when I'm sleeping, I'm always aware. So also mobile phones being a major problem. So I make sure कि I keep it कोसों दूर खुद से. Then maybe
सोते वक्त सोने से
सोने से पहले. Yeah, maybe like an hour or 30 minutes beforehand. And then I take deep breaths, sit, maybe read a book. And that really helps me. It's very simple. I don't do ज़्यादा तामझाम यहाँ वहाँ पे.
But you don't need to. A lot of people think that vipassana, अरे बाप रे कैसे जाएंगे?
हाँ.
I'm a vipassy. I've been
Yeah.
practicing.
In
since
fact, I was going to
2015.
ask you because
Yeah.
I need to know the benefits or how do you get into it?
Bro, I can tell you one thing from experience because I never say anything which I'm not 100% sure about.
yeah.
I will not sell you a toothpaste which I have not used.
Yeah.
It is life altering.
Wow.
In our sphere or any other sphere today, there's so much of stress all around.
Yeah.
Whether you're a salesman or you're an actor, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
What happens, what it does, at least what it did to me, is that it is nothing but just sitting in a state and hearing yourself breathe. It's another form of yoga, the only quieter one.
Yeah.
And all we used to do, I went for the 11-day Maun Vrat. There is nothing like Maun Vrat. Your life changes. It's called Arya Maun. Arya Maun means I can't even look at you. If I look at you, we are communicating right now.
Yeah.
So those 11 days, you're like this. You don't look at each other.
Oh, wow.
So there is no communication through eyes, through gestures. You can't do that. You can only talk to your guru. And that took 5 minutes a day. And for 11 days, you're like that. When I come out, unfortunately, what happens is that I'm not being able to follow it up at home because you're supposed to do that half an hour.
So you're going to, you have to follow it.
Yeah, it's like working out or doing yoga.
Okay, yeah.
You wake up every morning to half an hour, before sleeping half an hour, your life will change. And I can say that not only from experience, but I've seen people, how they have conquered your mind, na?
Of course. Yeah.
उससे better तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. But I will tell you one thing, continue. Move on to the next zone of meditation. If you can put your phone away, that is the biggest challenge everybody faces.
Yes.
In today's time.
Today's time.
Of course.
Yeah.
You know, I've got an iPad, I'm playing something, then I'm watching TV, and then I want to do my phone.
Yeah.
I'm always thinking कि अब क्या करें? I'm also an Aryan.
Yeah.
So my mind is constantly running. So how it'll help you is your REM sleep, which is your deep sleep,
Yes.
your restorative sleep, becomes so much better. Just even not even half an hour, do 20 minutes. Start from today, and then tell me the difference.
Definitely. No, I'm going to finger you on it.
Yeah. No, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
It is, you stop everything else and just do this. Your life as you know it till day will change. Now, since we are talking about Vipassana and meditation, I have to go on to the next segment, which is about mental health. And I'll start with you
Yeah.
because I had no clue that you went through something like that so early on in your career.
Yeah.
We usually face it when you've
As in, I had
couple-
not even started.
Yeah, you've not even started.
I was only modeling that time.
Yeah.
I was only a model that time.
And that you know, that can be such a deterrent that you kind of start questioning yourself and your choices.
Yeah.
Hey, यार ये मैंने ठीक तो किया और वो भी घर छोड़ के यहाँ आया.
So,
मतलब what were those 2 months like? If you can
so see,
describe.
my mind state at that point was ki I've just won Mr. India and Mr. International, and every brand wanted to sign me. You know, there was I want big shootings brand. There was a
Of
big,
course, we've seen it all, yeah.
yeah, which I did later.
Right.
But till that time, I had said no to them and took this film. So I'd actually shut everything out.
Oh.
I shut myself away from all this. So, you know, even my backstage people would call me, sir, you know, Rajiv, we can do it.
Because you wanted to
Shows तो कर
focus
सकते हैं.
on.
हाँ, so I completely removed everything else. I said, नहीं यार, अभी बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. It was every day my friends would say कि let's go audition है, ये चल यार चलते हैं मतलब. Earlier we would go, मतलब, you know, so they would say कि चल यार famous तक चलते हैं. So I would go till famous, not go up.
Wow.
I would go till Bandra, मतलब Turner Road, Waterfield Road, yeah, but मैं ऊपर नहीं जाऊँ. So I would keep sitting there only. Or like, so it was just like I didn't know what to do. Right?
Was
And
your
what stuck-
confidence obviously hit for a...
नहीं hit नहीं. I was like यार ये कैसे? Right? Because उससे पहले तक, so school से अगर मैं शुरू करूँ, so I was a judo champion. You know, 100-meter champion, relay, studies में top 5. So you've never had a hit that bad.
Yeah.
Like why तो नहीं पूछा मैंने. I wouldn't like question why, but I was just like, is this how it is? That came to my mind. That used to keep playing on my mind. And then eventually, you know, a friend sort of pestered me कि चल यार चल, मतलब एक टेस्ट है, एक ऑडिशन है, तेरे को देनी है. करते वो next day he pulled me into that audition. I gave it. So that was for छोड़ दो आंचल by Bombay Vikings.
Okay.
And when I gave that, next day they called me, we rehearsing for 2 days and third day we shooting. So I did that and I was out of it because I think I shot for it. मतलब rehearsal में ही out हो गया था because mentally, you know,
Mentally
you're
you were
doing
out of that
something
thing.
and then you're on that. We did it. Overnight, the song was a number 1 on all
Yeah.
charts and
You were back.
yeah.
So, you know, that's why they say at these times, support of your family and friends is so important. You're lucky.
So my family was no. Our
Huh.
family, मतलब they
But
knew
your friends,
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah. Hats off.
God.
मतलब yeah. So,
you know, because you didn't have to tell your friend कि मुझे कुछ कर या help
Yeah.
कर, वो
Yeah.
खुद ही तेरे को force कर रहा है.
yeah.
But if that doesn't happen, what we usually say is that mental health expert, that reach out to anybody.
True.
Just anybody. Go to your neighbor's house.
Yeah.
Don't sit at home.
Yeah.
Because that can multiply several fold, you know. So that happened for you for 2 months. And then once that video came out,
Yeah.
you were smiling.
Video came out, then I made up my mind कि भाई अभी तो film offers आ भी रहे हैं. I'm not going to take it. First I'm going to make a name, make my own shoulder. Because यही बोला गया था ना कि यार अब ये
ये
न्यू
तुम्हारे
shoulder पे नहीं.
That's a great thought.
So I just thought कि no, let me give it 2-3 years and make my own name and then do a film.
Wow.
So I actually said no to a lot of good names during that time. Then eventually Vikram sir ko, you know, we did 90-20.
That was your...
Yeah.
Superb, yeah. But to get out of that, and who was that friend, if you remember? What?
Rajat Vora, Vikrant. So these were my roommates,
Okay.
matlab flatmates
Okay.
at that time. And
They're still your friends?
yeah.
Please give them my love because those are the friends everybody needs in life.
Of course, yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, mental health. Last question to you is, social media is extremely strong in today's day and date. Every youngster compares himself or herself to somebody else on social media. And we all know that we put our best foot forward. Rose tinted glasses कि मैं तो ऐसा दिखता हूँ, मैं ये जैसे ये इंस्पायर हो कि यार रोहित ने ये फोटो डाले, चल मैं भी जिम जाता हूँ, correct? But that also leads to a lot of heartaches in youngsters who say कि यार ये तो इतना दिख रहा है अच्छा, ये तो पेरिस गया है हॉलिडे के लिए, मैं तो यहाँ
Yeah, that
लड़ाई
pressure.
जा पा रहा हूँ. तो
Yeah.
the pressure and that really plays on the mental health. What would you like to tell the youngsters, because you are still young and you've gone through it?
Yeah.
How do you deal with that kind of pressure, which is actually make believe pressure?
So nowadays I tell myself कि ये FOMO नाम की चीज है ही नहीं, because that's one of the major things we are struggling with right now. We go through our social medias and we feel like कि ये जिम जा रही है, ये ट्रिप पे जा रही है, ये शूट कर रहा है, ये नहीं कर रही है. So we feel like कि we are missing out on our lives, whereas it's not true, and it's absolutely all here. And while I was shifting, moving out of my place, and then the whole modeling thing, and coming from a family, where no one has ever touched this field, like thoda sa bhi, in a way. So it was very overwhelming. And even today it is some days. But then again, all I tell myself is this is the major problem.
No, so how do you deal with it? That's what we are talking about. कि ये तो ठीक है, हमको सबको मालूम है कि Instagram देख के लगता है अरे यार ये तो अभी वैलेंटिनो लेके आया इटली के विलेज से, मैं तो कॉन्वर्स पहन के बैठा हूँ. तो एक जो कंपैरिजन होता है उसको, how do you deal with it?
I think
How do you deal with it?
I deal with it in a way, I tell myself it's my journey in a way.
Your own journey.
My own journey. अब जो नहीं हो रहा है या जो चीज़ मैं देख पा रही हूँ या जो चीज़ मुझे ऊपर से दिख रही है कि मे बी इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग फॉर मी, इट इज़ द फैक्ट. नाउ ऑल वी हैव टू डू इज मे बी लुक अप टू टुमारो. So I had lost someone very close to mental health, and which happened last year itself, and she was just 17.
17 years old.
17, and I felt like why हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम खुद में इतना रहने लगे आजकल, like people of my age or I don't know these kids, we start telling ourselves कि हमारे लिए कोई है ही नहीं, हम बात ही नहीं कर सकते, this is the end of the world. And वो बिल्कुल भी सच नहीं है.
Of course.
It
But I
is-
think, sorry, I'm stopping you, but doesn't it then go on the parents somewhere? Because a parent should also make the child, मैं कह रहा हूँ, even up to a 19, 20 is a child for a parent, right? मतलब उसके बाद भी, लेकिन इतने तक तो है.
तो है ही.
To give that freedom to have that relation of a friend that you can come up to me anytime and talk about any damn thing in the world.
Did she try talking to her parents?
Yes, of course, and I feel nowadays parents are very welcoming.
Yeah.
या मेरे पेरेंट्स अगर वो सपोर्ट नहीं करते तो मैं शायद से ये कर ही नहीं पाती. एंड ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स दे हैव लाइक लवली पेरेंट्स, दे सपोर्ट देम इन एवरी सेंस, बट वी हैव स्टार्टेड लिविंग इन दिस cocoon. And even for parents, no matter how much they try, it's a fact, like we parents try their best कि हम friends बन जाते हैं, हम बात करते हैं, but I feel if you don't feel like talking to your parents about something, maybe just pick up your phone and call someone you think can help.
In fact, there is a research on this. You'll be shocked. So, in this age from 13 to 19, 18, 19, the last person a girl wants to talk to is her parents in India.
Yeah.
Which is so shocking because we are not like that. I mean, we are
Yeah.
both dads to girls.
Yeah.
And I keep telling my daughter that,
Any-
whatever happens,
Yeah.
anything in the world, please come and talk. And of course, fortunately, she
Yeah.
has a great relationship with Mansi and
Yeah.
she'll open her heart out.
True.
And I was shocked when I read this. The last person they want to talk to
This
is
is to the parents.
to the parents, and
Yeah.
especially to the father, because they think that my father,
Yeah.
India, quintessential male,
Yeah.
that image. But now things have changed. But sorry to hear that about your friend. And
Yeah. And I think
quite
kids
unfortunate.
nowadays are exposed to so many things that are very, delicate,
right,
bracket of age, and so अब तो वो cut down कर भी नहीं सकते. You cannot, protect your kid from not being exposed to the world or social media and whatnot. But yes, of course, speaking up, talking, no matter what it is, and it's not the end of the world. It's not, no matter how big of a loss it is, that's all I tell myself. It's not more important than my life in a way.
your kid,
She's 15 now, Tia.
your daughter.
Yeah. So see,
How do
it's
you handle her going through some? Do you recognize those signs?
you get to know, so I get to know, Pallavi gets to know also. The good thing is that here, she, since, again, we are also in a nuclear family. My mom doesn't stay here. She stays in Vrindavan. and brothers also in Delhi. So the only person she talks to is actually me or Pallavi. But then she either talks to her or me. She doesn't talk to us together. So which is also a good thing. She has both of us as friends, but she's got touchwood great friends otherwise.
That makes amazing.
So, so friends which are there since when she was 15 months old
Wow.
are still her friends. And
Wow.
they're still like thick like this.
Right.
And I hope and pray that, they're always thick because
Yeah, those bonds are.
and then you can say,
yeah.
you can say anything with them. You can bounce. They're basically your bounce.
Like our school friends.
Yeah.
Our school friends.
So, and that's, I think, a better relation. I would rather that, she has someone to talk to. अगर नहीं मेरे पास नहीं भी आना तो भी
तो ये लोग हैं.
yeah
In fact, मेरे जो I'm from Ahmedabad,
Okay.
so I used to be really fat, roly poly kid I was, really fat.
yeah
And my friends,
yeah
हाँ नहीं मेरे को फिर typhoid हो गया था double bump. Good luck. So my friends still call me Jadia when I go back to Ahmedabad. Yeah, Jadia.
क्या बात
Yeah, because they know me.
that's how
Yeah.
And those bonds are so pure.
Pure.
They don't give a rat's ass who I am and
Yeah.
what I'm doing.
yeah
Hey, Jadia, are you tu? It's like that.
yeah
Anyway, okay, so that was great and that was a little hectic in terms of conversation, but we need to keep these conversations going because I genuinely feel now at my age and his age where we have daughters and we have sons and the kind of strife they go through. I don't remember in my youth
Yeah.
having gone through any of that because like you said, the exposure is so much, the comparisons are so much. There's so much of browbeating happening at schools and, as young adults also. So I just pray that all the kids know that they can talk to their parents
Yeah.
Yeah.
at any
Mhm.
given point in their
Point.
life because
Yeah.
no parent is going to shut the door on you,
Of
come
course.
what may.
yeah
Now we come to a fun segment so that the stress reduces. It's called the Ask Rohit segment.
Okay.
क्योंकि मैं इतना ज्ञानी हूं मैं आप दोनों को ज्ञान
हाँ।
बांटना चाहता हूं.
जी
We'll start with you. You can ask me anything about anything under the sun. Obviously, I'm not a expert on anything,
Yeah.
but I'll answer from
related to
experience.
health and
Related to health, anything, mental health,
Yeah.
nutrition, diet.
so see Vipassana I've already asked you about
Yeah.
but I also wanted to ask you asked us a question on skin so I do want to ask you about how do you maintain this skin
So
Because
I'll
it
be
is-
very honest. In
Yeah.
fact, before you came,
Yeah.
I was talking to her that my skin is getting extremely dry off late
Hmm.
because of the weather conditions and all that. And there's not much I'm being able to do about it. But what I really do is that, obviously genetics. My mom has great skin. She's 82 and
Yeah.
she's,
Wow.
sorry, mommy, 81.
हाँ एक ही साल matter Yeah.
मेरा भी बहुत touch है.
yeah
She's got great skin. I do the very basic thing. It's called the 3-step. I wash my face with a good pH balanced face wash.
Oh.
I lather cream on in the night. In the day, I try and not step out without sunscreen. Other than this, I don't do anything. I was asking about supplements because I've heard so much of information on Instagram कि ये लो, vitamin
ये लो,
A लो,
हाँ.
फला लो.
Yeah.
मुझे अभी तक जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
Hmm.
और and I don't believe in invasive surgeries.
Hmm.
I want to age gracefully. I want those
Yeah.
lines, and because I
of
think
course it looks great
yeah, when you see
Yeah.
people like Robert De Niro, Al Pacino,
Yeah.
they're all lined,
yeah
But yeah, it's been genetics for me. I mean, I look a certain way because I don't do anything for this. I mean, I work out and
Yeah.
involve my meditation and all, but
Yeah.
maybe it plays a part. I'm not very sure, but I don't do anything specific. That's why I wanted to know from you what you know. I like this crinkle, I like that forehead
Yeah.
moving because, and I have nothing against people who want to go through
Go through.
invasive.
yeah
हम ऐसे इतने good looking हैं और क्या करेंगे? क्या कर सकते हैं?
कितना करें
हाँ, your question now. I hope that answers them.
yeah
Okay. So now, since a lot of people are starting their journey in the industry or maybe any field, so सबसे बड़ा fear है कि we'll miss out on life. And for you who has seen and been through all of it
Right.
in a way,
In more than one way. Yeah, I've seen it all, done it.
yeah. So what would you advise all of us maybe? Ki,
So I will quote a very favorite actor of mine who was at a round table of actors, and this is what he said, Tom Hanks.
okay.
When you think the going is tough, relax. This too shall pass. When you think that you know it all and you've conquered it all and you're a star, chill because this too shall pass.
Pass.
Wait. Just wait. It will come to you. Wait का मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं हाथ पे हाथ धर के बढ़ बैठा हूँ. आ रहा है. Wait. Calm down. Everything is transient. The one, I would say, quality that you need to develop, not only as actors, as anybody, is patience. there is nothing which is not transient in this life. And I can tell you now, after being an actor for 30 years, I've seen great highs with my very first show, the reverse of what he's seen. And I've seen great lows with every film of mine. मतलब flop एक चीज होती है और एक होती है. In my 30-year-old career, I've had 2 successes on cinema and 2 successes on television, and I'm still here. Keep yourself relevant, be patient, be positive about anything that's happening to you. Yesterday, somebody was asking me, in this segment, my guest asked me, what are your 2 strongest points? I said, positivity and resilience.
Right.
Without these 2, so anybody, any youngster, you for instance, be patient. This too shall pass. Stardom will pass. Failure will pass. It's how, I'll add one more line. It's how you handle your failures is going to determine how far you go. That's it. On that note, I finish this segment and go on to the last segment, which is called the Right Bite. Keep going mantra. We all have some mantra. My mantra, no, both of you. Now we'll start with you. What is that mantra that keeps you going in face of all odds?
So I figured this out on my own. So I tell myself, the only person who has got your back is you.
You're quite wise for your age.
So I don't know. I never read this. After winning 1 international, I went on to my 2nd, and I lost. I did not even come in the top 10.
Oh.
So it was very tough, and especially for a 2021, I was like, दुनिया खत्म हो गई, अब मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊंगी शर्म के मारे में. I cannot take this and all of that. But then eventually, this line it just grew in me.
So the only one who's got
Your back is you.
Wow.
Rajesh?
Yeah, for me, matlab I think I'm born or maybe made in such a way that I'm always very, as you said, resilient. And so for me, that matters, like that discipline, that consistency and resilience matters. And rest is, again, like, you know that ये सब आज है और नहीं होगा, कल नहीं होगा. You know, so this too shall pass is actually something I believe in. And I know that, you know, there's a mode that you have to be on, 0 mode, which is, you know, the state of your mind, which a lot of times I feel that, so I don't let things bother me too much. Like I touch wood, like I feel like I'm born with something, or maybe it's ingrained by my parents, that I've never felt jealous of anything.
Same here.
Or
There's so many similarities.
Insecure, jealous, ये मुझे
Insane.
लगता ही नहीं है. And I feel that I'm blessed with this, because that's the worst trait anyone can have, and I know people have it.
Yeah,
but
it's
yeah,
also a natural thing.
yeah,
But
which is natural, which is natural. But
as
but I
long
feel-
as it's not malicious,
Yeah.
plus is also an emotion.
yeah. And being competitive is different. Of course, I'm competitive, so I feel that be competitive, but know that, you know, this is ये आज यही है, but घर वापस वहीं जाना है आपको. And which is another life. So for actors, it becomes tougher, because, you know, that is a different life, and this is the life. So you have to maintain that balance. So, matlab end mein, if I say, it's all about your balance, and you have
I'll
to.
tell you a story about which has got nothing to do with this. I was shooting with Shah Rukh Khan in Malaysia, and me and him were sitting for more than a couple of hours in the Malaysian airport, because the other people were shooting. And Malaysia, if you've ever been to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, every corner has got Shah Rukh hairstyle, Shah Rukh cut piece, Shah Rukh this, Shah Rukh that. And I was just asking him, since we were in Malaysia, I said, Shah Rukh, how do you handle this madness? Abhi to all 10 filmed ho gaya.
Yeah.
He said, because when I go home, my kids don't give a rat's ass who I am. They don't give a rat's ass. I am who I am. And that keeps me grounded. So these are the mantras of life.
True.
So thank you guys for being here. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Yes.
I must say you're very, very wise for your young age.
Thank you.
And I hope that you see loads of success in your life. Rajesh, you
Thank
know
you
that
so
I love
much.
you.
Yeah,
Always.
love
And
you. Yeah.
my best wishes are always with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. And you guys, I'm sure you'll find some inspiration and wisdom in this chat. You want more? Come back. Watch Unstoppable again with me, Rohit Roy, powered by Right Bite Max Protein. See you soon. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy. That's it.